too early for normal people. Oh my gosh, y'all. I am already hot and sweaty. And I didn't get out of the shower an hour ago. But we're on our way to go pick up groceries. Now, this is how humid it is, y'all. This is like got a lot of gunk in it. But when it gets humid, it goes crazy. Which, by the way, I'm very thankful for my kinky curly hair now. I never was really, but now that it's so thin, do not tell me they've had another accident up here. No, they didn't. They've had like 2 or 3 at this intersection of Crouch and Oceanside Boulevard recently. You know, people just want to turn right off of Crouch onto Oceanside Boulevard right in front of other people. They don't take into account for the fact that a lot of people are not doing the speed limit. Anyway, we're on our way over to pick up groceries, which means I got my debit card in the mail yesterday. Now, y'all, I tried to remember everybody that comes out of my bank account on a regular basis, on a monthly basis, and tried to get them. My nose is running. It's not snot. It's just water. I hate that. Every time I eat, it doesn't matter. It can be oatmeal. It can be a cracker. My nose runs. There's a name for that. We talked about that before. But anyway, what was I talking about a minute ago? Picking up groceries. My debit card. I hope that I have gone in and changed my billing card. Could one of y'all come over here and just massage this knot? You know what? I always get them behind my right shoulder. But ever since I fainted on the left side, that's the side that's been bothering me. And y'all, I'm a left side sleeper. And that lady had 2 gorgeous, they look like Malamutes to me. But ever since I hurt the left side, I've been having to sleep on my right side, and that's not easy. I just automatically roll over to the left side, and I guess I rolled over there night before last and stayed too long. I'm going to have Steph put an Aspercreme patch back there today when I pick them up. Which brings me to this. Walmart said that they were going to send me an email when my groceries were ready. Now, the last time I did this pickup thing, I missed my pickup time. I don't know why that was. It's no big deal because I came early. What time is it? It's 8:30, you guys. Oh, dang it. I went to the wrong place. DC not a good time of day for Debrajoy. I start getting into my thing about 9:30, 10 o'clock. Y'all, I am all over the place this morning. Anyway, I missed my time, so they bumped it up to the next time frame, which is fine with me. I came early because I want to have time to answer some comments. Once I get home, then I'm going to have groceries to haul in and put away. Oh yeah, I was going to tell y'all why I'm already hot and sweaty. The back of my van, it seems like I'm always hauling something back there, y'all. And so today, embarrassment hit me. It did. I thought, I cannot raise up the back of this van with it looking like this and expect them to put groceries in. So I got up and backed my van up, and I was so happy I did not. Now that I know where they are, I can pick out the orange thingies. Oh, and they have more signs up. More orange signs that say pick up, pick up, pick up. Good deal. They finally got it. Oh my gosh. And they have a huge orange part on the building that says pickup. Well, I guess they're really serious about doing this. I'm so glad they're doing it, y'all. It's so awesome. Now, it does save me on, spontaneous combusting when I'm in the store and spending money I shouldn't. But it's mostly about Miss Hazel. So anyway, we are here. And so I backed up my van, and I vacuumed it out really good. And then I put down, I don't know if y'all can see that or not. You see that blue tarp? Yep. I've been carrying that blue tarp around in this van for months, thinking that when I haul gravel, bags of gravel and things like that, that it will keep. Come here, you can sit in Mommy's lap. We don't even have to get out. See, good morning. Look how she's grabbing my hand. She wants to bite me. When y'all tell me to give her a hug and a kiss, you don't know what you're asking, huh? I'm putting my nose in jeopardy. Oops, here's my gal. Hi, sweetie.
What's the name on your order?
Talk to y'all later.